Hey guys, Jake here with Green Pro. Gonna do a quick video. I know it's loud in the background. We got a lot of background noise, but just want to show you what we got going on today. So we're lining a 48-inch pipe today, storm drain. I'm gonna flip around and show you what. So inside of this manhole, inside of the storm drain, it gets bigger as it goes in. It's 48-inch. That it's got a bad joint in it. So instead of digging up all of this, we're right off the side of Old Taylor Road here, right by the university. So digging through all of this and doing this repair, we've got it measured, and what we'll do, they're up here now working on getting the point repair done. We'll send this down. These are air lines. We'll send this down this pipe here, and we'll inflate it and let ambient temperature cure the epoxy. So it's a fiberglass resin that's holding it all together. Think of like a fire hose material, but just huge with a really super duper super glue. What happens is temperature. This one, you know, sometimes we've used UV in some of our previous videos, sometimes we've used steam, but this is just an ambient temperature cure, meaning just normal temperature will make it do its thing. It's a slow process. Once you get it in place, it's a long wait. You got to make sure that that air pressure stays inside of it to keep it expanded against the outside walls of the pipe. So a lot to go wrong. We're down a couple men here, so it's going to be an interesting job, and we'll see if we can get this thing knocked out. More soon.